come before his presence, మనం ఏమంటున్నాము, welcome his presence అంటున్నాం. So is it right to say welcoming his presence or should we come before his presence అనేది చాలా ముఖ్యం. But the point is, it is not about welcoming to the literal meaning of welcome. It is to be able to experience, I come to the presence of God because Christ is coming to me. జక్కయ్యతో ఏం చెప్పాడు, I will come to your house అంటున్నాడు. I'm sure God's plan was to come to Obed-Edom's house. He was able to really experience God's presence rather than hiding away, running away from the presence of God. So యేసు, ఒకడు నన్ను ప్రేమించిన ఎడల వాడు నా మాట గైకొనును, అప్పుడు నా తండ్రి వానిని ప్రేమించును, మేము వాని యొద్దకు వచ్చి వాని యొద్ద నివాసము చేతుము. Both are happening. We coming to God's presence and God coming to us in terms of making home with us. God is present everywhere, but he's saying we will make our home with him. When do we do that? When we obey his word and we love him. Only those are the two prerequisites for us to experience God the Father, God the Son as a home for us.